have a little tweak. Oh, hey.
That dog tried to bite me.
Oh, Fluff Butt would never hurt anyone.
I will not have this. That is the face of a monster. No, I'm telling you, that dog could smell my fare.
Or your drugs.
What?
Well, I didn't say that. Well, can I just have my package?
No, I am not done. I cannot tolerate this because of my safety.
Okay, ma'am. Let me just stop you right there. I would just like to say, I don't appreciate this note you left.
If you ever want to see your precious package again, you better lock up that mud.
Also, where did you get the red pen? Do you just have a red pen just sitting around? So, you just have a knife sitting around?
I will not be treated in this manner. I will be greeted as a queen, as a god.
Yeah, well, you're just supposed to deliver the package and go.
No, we're not going anywhere until we figure out this dog problem.
What problem? Also, why won't you touch the ground? What do you think's gonna happen if you touch the ground? Dogs are just gonna come out of the ground?
I honked my horn over and over, but nobody came.
Wait, if you're afraid of dogs, then why did you become a delivery driver?
Hi! I'm not the problem. He is.
Oh, by the way, Fluffbutt is a retired police dog.
What?
No! You really think border collies are police dogs?
Well, I don't know, but I do know. Them police dogs bite hard.
Okay. Can I please just have my package of pup treats?
Yeah. Well, I will be expecting a formal greeting next time.
Oh, you get one.